This is morning time. It's about noon, and this is what we're dealing with. I've cleared off this top part so you can kind of see out a little bit better. I'll try to... Ooh, I'm getting snowed on. I'll try to stick you out the window. This is a door that's shut, and I'm getting snow all over myself because it's all over the top of the doorway. This is what we currently have, and I am trapped inside. And you see that window right in front of you. I'm actually probably going to have to jump out that window into that snowbank below, right underneath my steps, because there's about 4 feet of snow in front of this door. And let me see if I can show you. In front of my window, this is how bad it is. Pretty crazy. I can probably show you from the inside how bad it is. See? That's what we're dealing with. So, I'm going to attempt to try to go out that window. Alright? Pray for me.